BD.MS Tutorials. Working with Microsoft Packages.
At the end of this video, this is what we'll be looking at. I have done the first part of my lecture, so I need to move on to the second part. Duplicate this slide again. I'm on the fourth slide. Go to Word, copy the scope of it, just as we did for the first part. You do the same for the second part. So you can see I've finished the second part, but there's something I need to do between the first and the second part as an introduction to the second part. So I'll duplicate the fourth slide just to replicate what I have here. Then I'll go to the fourth slide and delete everything I have here, so that I will have an introduction for the second part of my lesson. So come here and say delete. So this introduces the second part. So now I have to correct this and make it a sentence on its own. So I have that. You notice that what I did here on the fourth slide is still the same thing I did on the first slide. So the first introduces the first part, which are the second and the third slide. The fourth slide introduces the second part, which is the fifth slide. So duplicate again your fifth slide. Now the reason why we are duplicating slide is to maintain the background design. To maintain the background design, I will go to Word. I'll go to Word and copy by third part of the presentation. Duplicate this again Now I'm on the 7th slide, but I have to work on the 6th slide first. Come here and paste. So this introduces the third part of my lecture. So I'll come to the 7th slide, paste the note, make it a sentence, remove the format and make everything to be the same. Say bold. Now I have the functions of philosophy I explain as follows. Go to Word, pick my point, analytical function. Copy. Paste. This is the analytical function. Then the notes under the analytical function I'll copy as well and paste as a rider. Without any bullet. You notice I've deleted the bullets. So that is my note under the analytical function. Duplicate this again. Delete this. Make sure that you are deleting what is not relevant, not what is relevant. So you notice that I've duplicated the 7th slide. The 7th slide and this 8th slide are the same. I'll go back to my notes in Word, pick inspirational function, come to where we have an analytical function and paste. Pick the note for inspirational function and paste as note on the PowerPoint slide as inspirational function also. You might need to delete some parts of the notes. You already have the notes, so just only the points. Duplicate again, 8th slide. So you are now on the 9th slide. You are working on the 9th slide. Go to where you have your notes in Word, pick the third point, copy, come to PowerPoint, paste, go to Word, select the note under the third point, Ctrl C, copy, come to PowerPoint, go to where you have the note and paste. Go to the 9th slide, duplicate again. You're on the 10th slide now. Come to Word, pick your 4th point, coordinating functions, copy, paste, come to Word where you have your note, pick the note, copy, and paste on your PowerPoint slide. Like I said earlier on, you might need to delete some text that you have copied or lifted up from your Word. Like here, I'll come here. There's something I don't need to put all this text together. So since it is well known that all other disciplines are generated from philosophy, philosophy is seen. I'll edit this. Philosophy is seen as coordinating and articulating the knowledge base of other disciplines. So coordinating and articulating the knowledge base of other disciplines. So we come to the final slide where you just have to thank your listeners. So you type in capital letters, thank you for listening. Then you have to delete every other text box. You have to delete every other text box. Format your thank you for listening. You can increase the font now. Now we are done with presenting our slides. We have to go to the slides from the beginning and see if there is anything we have to edit or change in terms of the language, the structure, and the punctuation. So I am moving from slide to slide. Notice that I have double full stop here. Double full stop here. This as a result of copying and pasting. Notice the double full stop again repeating itself. we now have our slide ready. I want you to watch out for part 2 of the lessons of this video, where you can animate your text and also apply transition to your slides. You can also design the background of your slides. Thank you.